Here are the March 13th updates from Rahimi Lawyers, powered by freshnews.ai. Standardized marriage-based immigration playbooks help couples navigate green card cases and protect family unity with fewer surprises and delays. Today's signal: industrialized marriage-based green card case preparation is now the standard for couples who want to avoid RFEs, stressful interviews, and long separations. This approach treats marriage-based immigration family unity cases as structured projects with checklists, evidence audits, and interview coaching from day one to align with current USCIS process expectations. Help couples secure marriage-based green cards now depends on repeatable documentation interview readiness systems supported by clear, trusted immigration guidance for global clients. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, rushed or incomplete filings trigger RFEs that slow approvals and keep families apart longer. Second, weak documentation increases the chance of difficult interviews and possible denials. Third, disorganized evidence forces repeated client follow-ups and creates room for mistakes. Fourth, structured preparation makes it easier to explain timelines, set expectations, and close new matters confidently. How it works in practice. Case preparation starts with a fixed evidence map for marriage-based filings, not a generic document list. Couples are guided through proof categories such as financial commingling, shared residence, communication history, and family or community ties. Each category is checked off only when documents are clear, legible, and consistent. Draft forms are reviewed against the evidence set to catch mismatched dates, addresses, or prior history before submission. Before the interview, couples complete a structured readiness session that rehearses key facts, addresses any red flags in the file, and aligns their answers with the documented record. One practical adjustment: create a simple marriage-based green card evidence checklist by proof category and use it on your next intake call. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, draft a category-based evidence checklist focused on bona fide marriage proof, not just required forms. Second, set a rule that no case moves to filing review until each evidence category is marked complete or explained. Third, schedule a brief interview prep session for every couple once their case is filed and receipt notices arrive. Fourth, review your last 3 RFEs and update your checklist to address the most common issues directly. Thanks for listening to Rahimi Lawyers, News and Insights. See details at rahimilawyers.com.